myConnect is a custom, effective, hands-free communication device designed by Home Depot Canada for our associates. Let's get familiar with the device. The power on-off button is located on the right side of the device. Press to talk is the orange button located on the front of the device. Volume up and volume down buttons are located on the left side of the device. To connect the device, the QR scan is located on the back. NFC tap is on the front of the device, where the Home Depot logo is located. There are 2 auxiliary input jacks for your headsets depending on the type you use. The charging input is located on the bottom. At the start of your shift, select an HD phone and myConnect device. Green light indicates that the device is fully charged. Ensure that your HD phone, headset, and myConnect are ready. Flashing lights will indicate that the device is ready for Bluetooth pairing. There are 2 ways you can connect to the HD phone. To pair the myConnect device, gently place the Home Depot logo to the back top center of the HD phone, or press the side lock button on the HD phone to scan the QR code. With both options, you will hear and see a prompt on the device. Allow the device to complete pairing. Select Pair. Plug in your headset auxiliary. Through your headset, you will also hear
Bluetooth dongle connected.
Using myConnect. To answer an external incoming call, press the Push to Talk button on the front of device.
Hello, thank you for calling Home Depot. Seasonal, how can I help you? Yes, we do. Sure, that's not a problem. Okay, sounds great. Thank you. Thank you for calling Home Depot. You too, bye-bye. 1438, I'll call someone for you. Talk to Group Seasonal. Hi, Seasonal. Can I get someone to the Garden Center register? I do have a customer on an inquiry.
Hi, Seasonal team. I'll take that one.
On my way, Shanique.
Thank you. He's on his way. Talk to Gnome. Hey, Gnome. I'm going for lunch.
Copy that, Shanique. Have a great lunch.
Thank you.
Other myConnect features. You can also send images, videos, and audio messages to an individual or group. Let's take a look at how to send an audio message. Select the individual name or group. On the bottom right, select the message icon. Click on the 3 dots to the left. Select Record Audio. Select the circle record button and begin recording your message.
Hey everyone, just a quick message for everybody. We did great in sales. We're excited for the weekend, ready to go. Let's keep it up. Get involved, get engaged. Thank you.
Once you're done recording your message, hit the Stop Square button, followed by Select, then Send. myConnect has the ability to send prompts and understand commands in 3 different languages: English, French, and Spanish. The default language is set to English on all devices. To change the language, press and hold the volume up and down button together for 3 seconds. On the headset, you will hear the language that has been set.
Langue définie à français.
Repeat this step until desired language is set. The fully charged device will last up to 12 hours. When the remaining battery life is at 10%, you will hear a prompt through the headset.
Bluetooth dongle remaining battery 10%.
When the remaining battery life is 3%, you will hear
Bluetooth dongle remaining battery 3%. Replace dongle.
It is recommended when hearing this prompt, you return the unit to the charging dock and select a new device. myConnect Best Practices. At the start of each shift, pick up an HD phone and myConnect communicator. Log into Workforce Connect and select the roles you are scheduled for, followed by any roles you are cross-trained in. Communicate to fellow associates when taking breaks and lunches. Ensure to sign out of assigned extensions so they are available for another associate. If there will be no coverage when on break or lunch, notify a MOD so they can arrange for coverage. Return both devices when going for lunch and at the end of your shift. In addition to these best practices, leaders should ensure All departments have an associate assigned to the Workforce Connect groups by referring to the live contact list. Identify any scheduling gaps and reallocate associates as needed by asking them to join the group. That's it. You are now ready to use your myConnect device.